LA is experiencing toxic air quality with these historic wildfires. Experts warn that outside and even inside air could pose serious health risks.
So we started here at about noon today. We brought in some special air purifiers for the people who are dealing with the fires in Los Angeles.
We've been trying for the immediate community to be able to just bring truckfuls in so people can get their hands on some air purifiers and get them home to their family. Sorry, of course there was an evacuation warning while I was doing this live, and so we're all okay.
We brought in 1,000 units. And here we are now. It's about 6 p.m., right? So 6 hours later. And this is all that's left.
We're doing our best to bring more units in, as many as possible, into the community.
And to just see hundreds of people coming in and out and getting air purifiers for their home.
Hey everyone, it's Helen Cristoni with AirDoctor, and we're here across from our offices in Sherman Oaks, and we've brought out some of our commercial units today. Let us know if you need some help. DM if you and your communities are in need.
And we're happy that we're able to give some relief to people. We're very proud of what we're doing.